So let's explore AWS Application Migration Service. I am under my AWS console. Let's search the migration service. Yeah, AWS Application Migration Service. So let's go to source servers. So when after installing the replication agent, it replicates the source server details under the application migration service. So under source servers, you can see there is a source server name localhost, that is for my host machine where I had the Prometheus running. The migration lifecycle is currently not ready. Data replication is initiating. Next step, wait for the initial sync to complete. Okay, so let's click on the host name. So next action, as we saw that we have to wait for the initial sync to complete to take the further actions on this one. And if you click on the actions, you will see various actions that you can perform at this stage. You can view the server details, you can add the server to replication, or those things. So this is the data replication step. So these are the replication initiation steps happening in the background. So after we started our agent on the source server, it will communicate with the application migration service, and then the migration service will do all these steps in the background. So it will create a security group, it will launch the replication server. So replication server will handle all the replication part. Then you have the download replication software on the replication servers. It's creating the staging disks. So whatever disk we selected during the replication agent startups, those will be synced, and EBS volume will be created in the staging subnet. Then you can see pair replication server with the AWS application agent, connect AWS application agent to replication server. So what does it mean? That once the replication server is set up, the agent will directly communicate with the replication server for further replication of the data. So that those steps are completed. Now you can see that replication progress, that means replication is in progress. So it is trying to replicate the disk under the staging subnet area. So we have to wait for some time for this step to complete. So let's see how much time it takes. So let me fast track this video just to save our time. Yeah, so it made some progress, but still it's a long way to go. Yeah, so I skipped some part. So the replication is now 100% completed, as you can see on the screen. So if you go to your source server, you can see that the initial sync is 100% completed, but it is now creating the snapshot. So the migration lifecycle is still showing not ready. So we need to wait for this step to complete. So let's wait for some more time. Yeah, so initial replication finished. You can see the replication start time, you can see the elapsed replication time it took to complete the replication. It almost took 36 minutes for my server.